In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting or a class project, PowerPoint is a powerful tool that can help you present your ideas clearly and effectively. Let's dive in and explore how you can create a compelling presentation in just a few minutes. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you've located the official website, open the link to access PowerPoint. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This step is important as it not only gains you access to the application, but also ensures that all your work is automatically saved to your OneDrive, allowing you to access your presentation from anywhere. Once you're logged in, you have the option to create a blank presentation or select from a variety of templates. If you're in a hurry or need some inspiration, templates can be a great starting point as they come with pre-designed slides that you can easily edit and customize. However, if you prefer starting from scratch, go ahead and create a blank presentation. After setting up your presentation, you might want to start adding slides. You can do this by navigating to the Home tab and clicking on New Slide. Alternatively, a quick right-click on any slide thumbnail on the left will present you with the option to add a new slide. If a specific layout suits your content better, click the arrow next to New Slide to choose from various slide layouts, such as title and content, or a picture with a caption. If there are any slides you no longer need, you can easily remove them by selecting the slide in the thumbnail pane on the left and pressing the Delete key. Customizing your slide content is straightforward. Click on the placeholder text boxes to type your information, and use the formatting options under the Home tab to adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to match your presentation's tone or theme. For those looking to incorporate visuals, the Insert tab is your friend. Here, you can select Pictures to add images from your computer. The same tab also allows you to enhance your slides with charts, shapes, and other elements to make your presentation visually appealing. If you want to give your presentation a cohesive look, consider exploring the Design tab, where you can choose a pre-designed theme to apply across all your slides. Once your design is set, add smooth transitions between slides using the Transitions tab. Click Apply to All if you want a consistent transition effect throughout. The Designer tool, which you can find in the Home or Design tab, offers suggestions based on your content to help you refine the presentation's look. Additionally, for added dynamism, use the Animations tab to make individual slide elements move or appear in a particular sequence. And there you have it. With these steps, you've crafted a professional and engaging presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. Happy presenting!